go to Rocky Brook Waterfall, the south side, north, that's the north, east, west. This is Highway 101, Brennan. On the north of Brennan is Kosing, and the 101 here. This road is the Dosewalep Road. Rocky Brook Waterfall is about 3 miles from 101. It's beautiful waterfall in Washington State.
Welcome to Rocky Brook Fall Waterfall. Let's go มายินดีต้อนรับมาเที่ยวน้ำตกใกล้บ้านประเพณนี่แหละดูจะลงแล้วดูพี่ประแทนนี่เลยสูงให้ชมข้างบนนะคะเดี๋ยวพาไปชมเลยชมTwo lady from Thailand. Look at we see a waterfall. Yay! ได้ค่ะได้The rocks here, a lot of rocks. Oh my knee. อ๋อใช่ขึ้นไปอยู่แล้วเดี๋ยวLet's waterfall. Oh, there's a lot of rock here. Oh.ดูคนจะตกน้ำ Located in Brennan, Washington. Come to visit waterfalls. We have a lot of waterfalls. It's located at Brennan. We have Merhut Fall. This one, Rocky Brook Fall. Beautiful. This what date today is 25th September 2018.
ขึ้นมาดูบนแอ่งน้ำ
Okay, I will go upstairs. ท้องฟ้าเมฆหมอกเห็นไหมคะดูท้องฟ้าเหมือนทะเลเลยค่ะมีสายน้ำเดี๋ยวลงสระโอ้ใช่เขาก็เต้นsometimes people that jumping in the pool here. This is summer. Even summer, the water is still cold. Entrance the waterfall here. They swim all the way to ocean, all the way to Dosewalep River. It's so cool.